So hello Alfisti, this is the spoiler from PariS 5 Garage for the Brera, and you see the first step, we just put it on the roof and put it in the center. You have to look out because these lines must fit everywhere. So we glue that with tape just a little bit to get a hold, and the next step will be to get in the car, just leave the trunk closed and mark the holes for the screws. So we got the first mark here. This is the first mark, second mark down there, third mark right over here, and the last mark there. So there, these are the areas where we'll put the screws in. So you see the spoiler here, and the first step is what you do. You have to cut a thread in these areas here. 1, 2, 3, 4, the places where the screws come in. So and you have to watch out. We did it about a centimeter, 1.2 centimeter maximum to cut in, because make sure you don't do longer, otherwise you'll get out on the other side and the thing is broken. So now these holes are big enough and we cut in the threads, and the next step is to put in some glue, and afterwards this we put the screws in. So next step, to put in this screws, we cut them to a length of 2.5 centimeters, so they get in about a centimeter, and the outside should be about 1.5 centimeters. We put on this isolation here to protect the spoiler from the windshield. You also have this on the original, so don't forget that. This is the glue. We put them near the screws and there where the roof hits the spoiler. Some isolation here. So let's get this cable through back again, through this hole. Where's the hole? Here's the hole. There's the hole. Okay, now the light.
Nee, andersrum.
Ja, das ist schon richtig so.
Achso.
Das müssen wir runterlassen. Müssen wir runterlassen?
Mhm.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So if you want to get this spoiler on again, be sure to first close the trunk. You have to close it. Lay in there and get the first screws tight. So the middle ones, the two, tie them up. And then you can open up the trunk again. Yeah, so you can open up and tie those screws. The screws on the left side outside. So this one and this one. So first, these two down here and down here. When you're on the inside of the car, close it and make sure nothing, so make sure everything stays on the right side. And then you can open it and put these on here, screws. So so here's everything's okay. Maybe I'll just tighten the screws of yesterday to see that they are still, that's very good. Don't tighten them too tight, because you know this thread inside the spoiler is just 10 millimeters, so don't do them too tight. So first of all, get this rubber things over the screws again. Just press it in like that. 1, 2, and so now it's time to get this back on here. Just press that in these holes. So make sure to find the right holes. 1, 2, 3. So next step, get a screwdriver. Screw in these long ones again. Remember these clips here? They're just clips. Yeah, so these screws up here. So, last step, put this back on again here. See, they just have 2 clips right here and there, and just give it a little push. So, that was it.